It is done. The silence that follows is louder than the cheers of the crowd. They think I am a monster, a man who discards wives like worn-out tunics. But they do not understand the weight of a crown that demands a dynasty. I gave you everything. I broke the world for you. I defied the Pope. I tore the church from its ancient roots, and I turned my back on the allies of Europe. And for what? A ring of cold steel on Tower Green. History will paint you as the victim, and me as the butcher. But history is written by the survivors, and I am the only one left to tell the truth of what happened in those 1,000 days. I remember your arrival at court. You were not the most beautiful woman I had ever seen, but you had something far more dangerous, a fire that consumed everything it touched. My Catherine was a saint, but you were a storm. You refused to be a mistress. You refused to be owned. You played me like a master musician plays a lute, holding back, teasing, making me wait 7 years. I wrote you 17 letters. I bared my soul to you in ink, begging for your love, and I believed, truly believed, that if I made you my queen, God would bless us with a son and secure the Tudor line forever. I did not see the trap. I thought I was choosing a partner. I was choosing my own destruction. The rot did not begin with adultery. It began with silence in the cradle. Every miscarriage was not just loss. It was a crack in the foundation of my reign. And when the hope of a son faded, the court began to change around you, slowly, carefully, like a body dying without screaming. You began to act like more than a queen. You spoke in councils. You debated theology. You demanded influence over the kingdom itself. A queen is supposed to be a vessel for the dynasty, not a co-ruler, not a question the court fears to answer. And then came the whispers, not accusations at first, just doubts, wrapped in loyalty. Cromwell brought me papers, names, testimonies. Was I deceived? Perhaps. But in the king's world, suspicion is enough. When certainty is impossible, you choose survival. I did not want to believe it, but a crown does not allow disbelief. It only allows decisions. And so the court moved, quietly, efficiently, mercilessly, as courts always do. They called it justice. They called it law. But I know what it was, a conclusion I refused to stop. Anne Boleyn, you who changed the course of my reign, you who made a king rewrite Europe itself, now reduced to a verdict, written in ink before steel ever fell. I ordered a swordsman from Calais, a final mercy. They say, not fire, not agony, just one clean strike. But mercy is a strange word when it is chosen too late. Now Jane waits in the wings, soft-spoken, compliant. The court already moves forward, as if nothing happened, as if you were never here. But tonight, in this empty chamber of stone, I wonder, was it worth it? I have my church, I have my power, I have my crown, but the woman who once occupied my every waking thought is now just a name in a ledger. The throne is a lonely place, far lonelier than the tower cell you once sat in. and I sit upon it now, a king who has everything, yet possesses nothing. And if I could undo one truth, it would not be the crown I took, or the wars I started. It would be the silence I chose, when I should have stood with you. I did not lose you. I abandoned you, slowly, quietly, completely. And now I understand. Power does not destroy love. It delays regret until it is too late to change anything. Tomorrow, I face the acts of history, but tonight, I finally face you, and I am no longer your king, only the man who became your undoing.